Hi guys, welcome back. I hope all is well. I hope that everyone is having a great day. Today I have a new release flip through for you. This is Nature Mandalas, and this book is so beautiful. This book is by the author of Circle of Life. So you know how beautiful this book is. I'm not going to try to pronounce the author's name because that's not going to go well. But it's the same author that from Circle of Life. Let's get started. And it is early in the morning, so my voice is a little deep, so excuse it. Haven't had my cocoa yet. This book is on Amazon. It's on Amazon, but it's coming from Book Depository because I was told, I don't know how true it is, but it's possibly true that Amazon owns Book Depository. So I will leave the link below to this beautiful book. So it will take you a couple of weeks to receive it. I've been trying to do this flip through for a week now because I've had this book over a week. And I'm just getting to it. So here we go. The paper's the same paper as, well, actually, this paper is it the same paper? To me, this paper is a little bit smoother than Circle of Life. I really like that paper in the Circle of Life. It has a little texture, and I like that. It's kind of the same thing. It's like a part, to me, this book is like a part 2 to Circle of Life, because in Circle of Life, you know, everything is in a circle, mandala-like, and this book is the same way. So to me, this is like a part 2 to Circle of Life. I think this book is a little more advanced than Circle of Life. Definitely. There's lots more detail in this book. A lot of little smaller details, but very fun. In May, there's another, I'm going to flip back to the front, but in May, there's another book like this one, same author, but the cover's different. So I'm guessing that's an edition for another country. I'm not real sure. Because if you go on Amazon and you search for Nature Mandalas, you're going to get this cover of this book and you're going to get a different cover. I don't know, but I'm going to buy the other one in May when it come out, just to see. I mean, having 2 copies of Circle of Life is, I would definitely love to have 2 copies of that book. You know, some books you just want to have a second copy of, and Circle of Life is one of them. My birthday is May 2nd, and I put up a poll on my YouTube community tab as well as in my Facebook group, and Circle of Life was one of the options that I gave everyone to color in for my birthday color along. And Circle of Life is winning on both polls, so it's most likely going to be Circle of Life for my birthday color along. And I'm excited. that my birthday's in basically almost a week. A week and a few days. I love this page. I know this is going to be a popular page. It's a nice page. I can't wait to color that page. I love this page with the flowers. Really nice. But guys, I'm sorry for my little hiatus. I know this is not the time or place. Hopefully this weekend I could do a color and chat and we can talk about where I've been. But we'll get into that this weekend. I'm going to do a color and chat. I love the line art in this book. But my little hiatus will be over because I am off the first week of May, thank God. And I know my plan is I'm going away next weekend for my birthday, but I will be back on Monday evening, the actual day of my birthday. So that whole week, I plan to stay home and just color and make videos for the whole month of May. So you should see a lot of me in the month of May. It's gonna be a fun page. Ooh, I love the mushroom page. That's a cool page. It's another page I like. Won't be coloring that page with the snakes. I'm gonna flip right over it. I don't like snakes. And for the color along for my birthday, I'm not going to do a specific page because we've all had Circle of Life for quite some time. So I think it's going to be at any page from Circle of Life, but there will be a color palette. I think there will be a color palette. I may not put stipulations on it like that so everybody could just be so creative and do what they do best with their favorite colors. We'll see. I think that's a better idea. Let everyone just do what they do best. No color palette, just give you a book and let you all go. We're gonna have fun. And I'll make sure I color my page with you guys. It's gonna be probably a part 5. 5 different parts, because you know I'm a slow colorist. This is a beautiful book. I don't know if I like the paper in the book, but it's a nice book. The paper's so smooth. I like a toothy paper. But I would definitely use distressed inks like as my first, layer, and then go in over the distressed inks, or go in with like marker, not alcohol marker, but just like a regular marker, and then go over it. I would definitely layer this with something. I think this is our last page, guys. It is. And then you have this cute little on the back page. And this is the cover on the back. And you see also available Circle of Life, because that was her first book. And guys, this is Nature Mandalas, the new release flip through from the author of A Circle of Life. Guys, thank you for watching. The link to get this book will be below, so check that out, and I appreciate you using my links. Have a great day. See you soon.